Before setting up the experiment, the general setup procedures is performed. Then, the initial volume and refractive index of the liquid mixture in the reboiler is recorded. The valve 520 and valve 525 is opened. Then, the timer mode is selected to position 3, which will indicate for the reflux timer. Then the timer setting for set 1 is set to 30 seconds and for the set 2 is set to 60 seconds. Next, the set point of TIC110 is set to 88 degrees Celsius. As the top column temperature sensor TT111 reached the steady state, the temperature of TIC110 and TT111 is recorded. Then, the sampling valve of 552 is opened and 10 ml of distillate sample is collected using the conical flask. Then, it is fully closed. Next, the valve 514 is opened and 10 ml of sample bottom product is collected using the conical flask. Next, it is fully closed. The refractive index of the samples is measured and recorded into the data table. The refractive index value is immediately measured after the sample is collected. This is to prevent the ethanol from evaporating from the sample. Next, the valve 523 and valve 524 is partially opened. The pump P109 is turned on when the level of distillate in the reflux drum V109 has reached 3/4 volume of the total volume drum. The flow rate of FT307 is controlled using valve 523. This is to maintain the level of distillate in the reflux drum. The recommended flow rate is 0.1 until 0.3 liter per minute. The refractive index value is recorded for every 10 minutes by repeating steps 7 to 12 until the refractive index value of top and bottom reading are constant. After the experiment has finished, the valve 518 and valve 519 is closed to allow the system to cool down to the ambient temperature.